8 minus 2 gives us 6. And inside this parenthesis, we have 2 minus 8, which equals negative 6. So 6 times negative 6 gives us negative 36. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If you do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parenthesis, it is wrong. So first this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have 2 minus 8, which gives us negative 6. So we have 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2 times negative 6. In this expression we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. Okay, so negative 2 times negative 6 gives us positive 12. So we have 8 plus 12, which gives us 20. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 20.